Dear, this is another video on molality. So molality is another unit to determine the concentration of solution, and it's according to definition, it is defined as the number of moles of solute divided by the mass of solvent in kilograms. So it means how many number of moles of solute are dissolved in solvent, but you have to represent solvent in kilogram. So, and the formula is number of moles of solute divided by kilograms of solvent, and its unit is moles per kilogram. And the important thing is in molarity that it does not contain any volume in its ratio. So you will see solvent is present here in the form of kilogram, not in the liter. So if it is moles per liter, it will be molarity, capital M, and if it is moles of solute by kilograms of solvent only, then it will be molarity. So let's take one example, very simple example. If we form a solution by mixing 0.2 moles of sodium hydroxide, NaOH, and 0.5 kilogram water, then the concentration of the solution is, so you can see they gave the number of moles of solute and number of mass. Actually this is a mass of kilogram of water, so we have to use these two values to find out the concentration. So for that we have to use this formula, moles of solute divided by kilograms of solvent, and unit will remain same, moles per kilogram for molarity. So if we will put these values, 0.2 mole of NaOH and 0.5 kilogram of water, then when we will divide this value, 0.2 divided by 0.5, answer will come 0.4 molal. So the concentration of this solution will be 0.4 molal solution of NaOH. So this is another form of molarity unit. We can also say molal, or we can also represent like 0.4 moles per kg. So this was a simple example, and we will see other complicated example in another video.